Hello guys, welcome back again. Today we are going to talk about the history of McLaren S1 road car. McLaren S1 road car was designed by Gordon Murray as the ultimate supercar, debuting in 1992 with a central three-seat layout, a carbon fiber chassis, and a BMW V12 engine. It had the record for the world's fastest car production car for over a decade, achieving over 250 mph. Production ran from 1992 to 1998 with the 106 unit built, expanding McLaren beyond the characteristic and influencing later model. See you next video.